my goodness!
Look inside.
Wow, this is amazing! Where are they going now?
It is a beautiful sunny morning. The garden looks perfect today.
Yes. The grass is very green.
I love playing outside.
Let's give water to the flowers.
It is very peaceful here.
Look at that beautiful butterfly.
Summer mornings are the best.
Mom, Dad, come here quickly.
What is it, Lily?
Look at the ground. The ground. The grass is moving.
That is very strange.
It looks like just dry grass and dirt.
Listen. I hear a small noise.
You are right. Something is under the ground.
A secret is hiding in the garden. Shh. Everyone, be very quiet.
Look! A big rabbit is coming.
Don't move. Just watch her.
What is she doing?
The mother rabbit starts to dig.
She is moving the dirt very fast.
She is opening a hole in the ground.
I can't believe it. There is a deep hole there.
Oh my goodness!
Look inside.
Wow! This is amazing!
There are baby rabbits in the hole.
6 little rabbits come out to the sun.
They are so small and beautiful.
I think they are 2 weeks old.
They are drinking milk from their mother.
They are very hungry.
The babies are safe with their mother.
Where are they going now?
They are going back inside to sleep.
Look at the mother rabbit.
The mother covers the hole with dirt and grass.
She is closing the door.
Now, the hole is completely gone.
You can't see anything at all.
It is a perfect secret.
Nature is truly wonderful.